Okay, we have the first part cleaned. I didn't re-nail it yet, but I'm ready to clean that one, get that all cleaned up, and then we're gonna have to examine the nails and make sure the heads are down good. Now, another observation I did make is some of these places had no felt on them anymore, or no shingles. It was just raw wood. And one of the questions that sometimes is brought up is if you put, do you need the vapor barrier? Because the aluminum or metal is going to sweat, and therefore you need a vapor barrier. And I've always thought, I don't buy it. I just don't buy it. So I still don't buy it because these boards, perfectly fine, perfectly like the day they were laid down. A little bit of dirt came in, but other than that, that's it. And you can see other spots where it was bare. There was no shingles at all, no half lap left, so it's totally fine. So that tells me that I might be right on this one. Now, I'm not saying I'm the expert on it, but I'm telling you that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to clean this all off, make sure the nail heads are down, re-nail anything I need to, and then I'm going to roll it right back down and start screwing the heck out of it because I'm going to run out of time. But let's get cleaning up and get that all picked up.